Hi, welcome to Cal Maritime. I'm Dr. Maier, Dean for the School of Maritime Transportation, Logistics and Management here at Cal Maritime. Here, all of our students all have to participate in one of our watches. Whether you were in the license program, IBL, GSMA, or oceanography, all of our cadets participate in one. I'm currently standing at what we call Port Security Watch. This is the watch in which all of our IBL students participate and oversee part of the boat basin area, which is controlled by the Maritime Administration. For those of you that are selected, we're also going to have a special opportunity where our logistics students are also now going to be able to be involved in what we call inventory watch. So let me take you over to our boathouse to explain that further. So now that we're coming into the boathouse, this is the area where our logistics students will be standing in order to start conducting the proper methods of managing our parts room here in the boathouse. Product, as you'll see, is actually brought in down here in the boathouse. Our students will then take this, compare the packing list off of what's ordered, scan each of the products into our inventory system. The inventory system will then print out a report telling you, the student, specifically where to place all of this product. So the parts will then be placed, whether it's a outboard gauge or some of our spark plugs. It'll specifically tell you in which location these parts should be placed. Your role then will be to ensure our inventory levels are exactly the way that they should be. In addition to receiving the information and doing a put away, our logistics students will also conduct cycle counts. So the inventory system we have will periodically kick out a report and have the students verify, is the inventory system operating the way that it should? Do we have enough parts? Are they in the right location? And then the students will have to make the adjustments based on the proper inventory levels. At some point, as we start to expand this, you as our students will also have an opportunity to also get involved in the procuring of some of these parts. So besides the inventory that you see here in the bins and in the shelves, we also have our parts room that all of our students will also have an opportunity to participate in managing too. Now again, this is for our inventory watch for our logistics students, for a select few of you that are going to be selected to do this. This is the type of bullet points that you're going to want to have on your resume when you go to a potential employer. They will specifically know you already know how to do many of the skills and the tasks that you're going to be performing at many corporations. And in addition to this, not only are you learning an education and getting very valuable hands-on skills and knowledge, you're also helping Cal Maritime. You're helping our other programs, our marine transportation, our marine engineering, our marine programs. This is the product, these are the items that helps our marine programs systems operate. Our boats, our fleet of vessels will operate based on the parts that we have here and all of our tools. So this is just the beginning. At no point in time has Cal Maritime had a system like this, and we're just now getting to the point where we can expand and really get you as our logistics students more involved. My vision is to have a fully operational logistics lab for all of our logistics supply chain students. That we actually have a real product that we're actually putting together, running out a production line, keeping track of all of the inventory, as well as maintaining the proper balance sheet and our income statement for a potential client. That's the intent. That's what we're trying to do here at Cal Maritime. That's why you want to come join us in the International Business and Logistics program. Thank you.